Here we're going to remove the mechanical stop motor, which is the smaller motor that moves your mechanical stop plate. We're going to assume that if you're at this video, you already know how to take the covers off, so we'll just start from here. First things first, pop off the two connectors. Purple goes to positive, the yellow goes to the negative. Just slide those out of the way. Make life a little bit easier. Disconnect your mechanical stop motor, or your plunger heater. Then what we're going to do, we need to remove this spring right here to relieve tension on the belt, because there's a belt that goes underneath the MS motor that we're going to have to release before we actually take it off. So we're just going to remove this spring off its post right there. Now the next step is we're going to take this C-clip off the post down here. Careful not to lose it when you're prying it off. Oh, got lucky. And then this comes up, and then that allows us to lift the motor up and off the post, remove the belt, slip the belt off, that way we can lift the motor all the way up and out. And come on. There we go. Easy enough. Then putting the motor back on. We'll obviously just put the same motor back on. Back onto the post. Once we get it onto the post a little bit, move it all the way back so we can slip the belt. There we go. Reattach our spring. Then the washer, the spring washer, and the metal clip. And make sure it's fully seated.